Hello, my name is Christina Guerra, and today I will be talking to you about the beautiful country of Mexico. I will be covering a brief history of the country, as well as the culture, traditions, and religious beliefs. Mexico was home to many great civilizations, including the Olmec, the Maya, the Zapotec, and the Aztec. For over 3,000 years before the Europeans arrived, these civilizations flourished. The Olmec civilization lasted from 1400 to 400 BC, followed by the rise of the Maya. The Maya built many large temples and pyramids, some of which are still standing today. The great ancient city of Tenochtitlan was built by the Mayan between 100 BC and 250 AD. It was the largest city in the area with an estimated population of more than 150,000 people. The Spanish came to power in 1325 and ruled until 1521. In 1521, the Spanish conquistador Hernán Cortés conquered the Aztec, and Mexico became a Spanish colony. For 300 years, Spain ruled the land until the early 1800s. At that time, the Mexican people revolted, and Father Miguel Hidalgo declared Mexico's independence with his famous cry of Viva Mexico. In 1821, Mexico defeated the Spanish and gained full independence. Mexico's culture is rich, colorful, and vibrant, influenced by its ancient civilizations such as the Aztec and Maya, as well as European colonization. It is unique and probably one of the most fascinating cultures in the world. The traditions and customs of the Mexican people are varied and diverse. Music and dance are a huge part of Mexican culture. Mariachi music, which is one of the most popular genres of music in the country, dates back to the 18th century and is well known and loved throughout. Mexican cuisine is full of flavor and unique ingredients that all come together to make an amazing, flavorful dish. A staple item from the Mexican cuisine is the tamale. They originated in Mesoamerica as early as 8,000 to 5,000 BC. The Aztec and Maya civilizations used tamales as an easily portable food for traveling long distances, hunting trips, and feeding their armies. Tamales were also considered to be sacred, as they were seen as the food of the gods. There are two very important holidays that are a part of the Mexican culture. The first is Independence Day, which is September 16th. This is Mexico's most important national holiday that celebrates Mexico's liberation from Spanish rule in 1810. Mexico City is a great place to be for this festival, with the cry of independence being recited by all of the citizens, followed by fireworks, music, and dancing. The second holiday is the Day of the Dead, or Dia de los Muertos, which takes place on November 1st and 2nd. During this festival, offerings are made to the souls of ancestors, and shrines are built in homes to honor departed relatives. There are often all-night vigils held at graves, and market stalls sell pan de muertos and colorfully iced sugar skulls. Widely celebrated among Latinos, the quinceañera marks an important milestone in a girl's life. Part birthday party, part rite of passage, it symbolizes a girl's entrance into womanhood when turning 15. The event consists of the young woman wearing an elegant and sometimes bold dress, being surrounded by family and friends to help her celebrate her big day. During Christmas, there are candlelit processions, elaborate nativity scenes, Spanish Christmas carols, dancing, and fireworks. While traditions like Christmas trees and Santa Claus have found a place in Mexican festivities, the holiday celebrations are firmly rooted in Spanish and indigenous culture. Mexican weddings are a huge deal. Everyone from all sides of the family are invited, as well as friends. The weddings must always take place in a Catholic church during a Mass. One of the most popular traditions performed at a Mexican wedding is el lazo, or the wedding lasso. The lasso is typically a rosary or a silk cord that is placed around the couple to signify their new status as one in the eyes of God. Spanish colonists introduced Roman Catholicism to Mexico in the 16th century, and as a result, 80% of the population identifies as Catholic. Many Mexicans see Catholicism as a part of their identity. Mexico has a patron saint known as the Virgin of Guadalupe. She is depicted as a darker-skinned version of the Virgin Mary with more Mexican features. It is believed she appeared to a peasant, identifying herself as the Virgin Mary by speaking in his native Aztec language. This image and story of the Virgin Mary is unique to Mexico, representing the way Catholicism has evolved to suit the Mesoamerican context. The incorporation of indigenous heritage and culture into her origin story means that the Virgin of Guadalupe is believed to be the mother of all Mexicans. She is Mexico's most important national icon and religious cultural symbol. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you learned a few interesting facts about Mexico.